Here, says the question, is a rectangle. Yep, there it is. Okay, 4 right angles and, well, we've got some x's on these two sides, a y on this side. Let's see what it says. All the measurements are in centimetres. Okay. The area of the rectangle is 48 square centimetres, so the length times the width is 48. We might use that in a minute. And we're asked to show that y is 3. Well, we're not going to get very far without knowing what x is. So let's find x. And the key to that, of course, is that we know it's a rectangle. So that side and that side must be equal, because that's one of the properties of a rectangle, or more generally a parallelogram. So 5x minus 9 must equal 2x plus 6. And because of that, we've written down an equation. So we can solve it. Let's put all the x's on the left by subtracting 2x from the right, and therefore subtracting 2x from the left as well. That gives me 3x minus 9 is equal to 6. And then let's add the 9 to both sides to get the x's on their own, and that gives me 3x on the left and 15 on the right. And then we divide both sides by 3, and that will give me x equals. So x equals 15 over 3, which is 5. So we can now say that this side here, so the length of the rectangle, is 2 times 5 plus 6. 2 5s are 10, plus 6 is 16. Don't know why I've got a plus there. Let's try an equals. So that's equal to 16. We could just check that on the other side. 5 times 5 is 25, minus 9 is also 16. So that does work. Now we're told that the area is 48. And so 16 times y, because that is the length times the width, must equal 48. And we divide both sides by 16. And they tell us, we don't even need to calculate it, that y is equal to 3. And 48 over 16, do check it, is 3. And there we go.